So do our films objectify women? That's our other big debate tonight. Let me take that question first to Sharmila Tagore. Have you seen a big change in the way women are projected in Indian cinema over the years? Or would you say it's unfair to blame cinema for the way we are?
You know, let me tell you first, what I really want to say is at this moment of heightened passion, why are we talking about this? Because something has happened recently which has caused us a lot of concern, and we are reflecting and we are trying to find out what is the reason. Now, in this kind of time of heightened passion, it's naturally film and TV is very hyper visible mediums. So, they're always the scapegoat. And you're always sort of pointing a finger at saying that, well, this must be the reason. I do not think so. There is no scholarly evidence of direct impact of such scenes or uniform impact on people. Yes, there may be an impact on certain people to do violent crimes after watching something like this, but there has to be a predisposition in that person. And I think there are a lot of other sociological factors that are in place in India already. What about Khap Panchayat? They are targeting men and women. I mean, many such things. I mean, you could say, there are a lot of positive impact of films also. Why are we only talking? I've always heard women's group talking about commodification, objectification, degradation. Now, these are highly professional, successful women, and their business is beauty, and they are, it's with consent, whatever is happening, and they are actually making profit not for somebody else but for themselves.
Okay.
Now, what is wrong with that? Now, when you talk about objectification, let me finish.
Sure.
Now, when you're talking about, what about a sari-clad woman who is selling washing powder or washing machine or microwave and making her place firmly in the kitchen? Why is that not an objectification? So, and what about Govinda when he does underwear garment? Why is that not an objectification or commodification? Why is only a woman's body is, why can't it be seen as an asset, an empowerment or assertiveness?